늦은 저녁, 행군을 하던 청년들에게 총알이 날아들기 시작하고 청년들은 황급하게 도망치기 시작하는데 과연 이들에겐 무슨 일이 벌어지는 것일까요?
Still today, on the 19th anniversary of the war that tore this great nation apart, we continue our nationwide recovery effort.
라디오 방송을 들으며 어머니와 함께 집합 장소로 이동하는 레이.
Still don't understand. I think you could probably still change your mind. I don't think it's.
The back cut date was yesterday. This is my decision, okay? Not yours. This is the best way. It's the only way.
Your father was here.
Okay, but he's not.
You brought the baseball?
Yeah, I don't know.
I made you these oatmeal chocolate chip, your favorite.
Thanks, Mom. I love you, Mom. What?
Billy, wait!
도저히 아들을 보낼 수 없었던 엄마는 마지막으로 레이를 붙잡아 오지만 이미 마음을 굳힌 레이는 어머니를 뒤로 한 채 집합 장소로 향합니다.
Hey, I'm Ray Garrity.
Peter McBreeze.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, what do you weigh?
178?
I'm 177. They say heavier guys get tired quicker.
Shit. Hey, what's your name?
Stebbins.
You some kind of fitness nut?
롱워크에 참가한 청년들은 서로 통성명을 시작합니다.
Hank Olson's the name. Walking's my game.
I'm Mark Baker.
It's fucking terrifying, ain't it?
I ain't trying to think about it too much.
Hey, are you okay?
I'm just getting warmed up.
What's your name?
Curly,
Okay, Curly. How old are you?
18.
Yeah, that kid lied to qualify. Kid, if you're a day over 16, I eat my fucking shoes. Poor fucker doesn't know what the fuck he's doing here.
Hey, here he comes.
통성명을 하던 도중 마침내 모습을 드러내는 롱워크의 총책임자 소령.
As I call your name, step forward and take your tag. Ewing, James. Number 1. Baker, Arthur. Number 6.
소령의 호명에 맞춰 참가자들 모두 자신의 번호를 받고 출발선에 자리를 잡습니다.
Good luck, son. As you all know, our country has been in a period of financial struggle since the war. And we did the first long walk all those years ago to inspire and reintegrate the value of work ethic. Our problem now is an epidemic of laziness.
정부는 국가 경쟁력을 끌어올릴 수단으로 매년 엄청난 상금과 소원을 걸고 청년들이 경쟁하는 모습을 생중계로 보여주는 롱워크를 개최하게 되었고
Walk until there's only one of you left. Maintain a speed of 3 miles per hour. Fall below the speed, you get a warning. Can't make speed in 10 seconds, you get an additional warning. 3 warnings, you get your ticket. Walk 1 hour at speed, 1 warning is erased, and so on. If you step off the pavement, you will get your ticket without warning. There's one winner and no finish line. I look at each and every one of you, and I see hope.
길고 긴 소령님의 훈화 말씀이 끝나고 총선과 함께 50명의 참가자 중 단 한 사람을 가려내기 위한 롱워크가 시작됩니다.
Hey, Pete. Pretty fucking desolate. Thought there'd be more people, I guess.
Major, he doesn't allow spectators until the final stretch. Except for the fucking locals.
Smile, boys. You're on candid camera.
Those aren't very candid.
Oh, son, that's gross.
So what the fuck?
What?
What do you do?
Put it in his pocket.
It's fucking gum. It's not fucking biodegradable.
환경 지킴의 올슨을 놀리며 화기애애한 분위기가 이어지던 그때
Warning. Warning, number 5.
Got a rock in my fucking shoe.
바코비치가 신발에 돌을 빼내기 위해 멈춰서고
Warning, number 5. Second warning.
하지만 군인들은 얄짤없이 카운트를 시작합니다.
That dumb fuck's actually gonna get his fucking ticket.
Get up, man. Stop playing.
Warning, number 5. Third warning.
다행히 표를 받기 직전 신발을 고쳐치는 데 성공한 바코비치.
Better not trip, fucko.
Y'all don't even know. Just bought myself a rest.
What you boys think about the wish and the big prize?
Rich men don't enter the kingdom of heaven.
Look, I'm a religious fella. I ain't ashamed to admit it. I'm here for the money. No, it's easy to badmouth money when you ain't grow up dirt poor in Baton Rouge.
하지만 레이는 롱워크에 대해 약간은 다른 생각을 가지고 있었는데
When the system backs people into a corner, points to an escape hatch and says, that's the only way out. Been set up to believe it's the only way, the honorable way. I mean, even though only 50 of us get picked in the lottery, all of the boys in this country put in for it. Even though it's not required, because we're all so fucking desperate. What does that tell you?
It's not smart to talk bad about the long walk.
That's dissent, and it's punishable
Arrest
by...
me. You gonna arrest him? Didn't think so. You got a point, Garrity. They say we have a choice to sign up for the lottery, but do any of you know anyone ever who hasn't? Exactly. I don't agree with you about money. The right person can do a hell of a lot of good with the right amount of money.
In my opinion, it's a myth.
Won't be a myth when I win. That's exactly what I want that money for.
대화를 통해 서로를 알아가며 가까워지는 이들.
Watch where the fuck you're going, you fucking dipshit.
Hey, I'm Harkness. You're Ray Garrity, hometown boy, number 47. Writing down everybody's names and numbers.
No, I wasn't wondering.
I'm writing a book, you see?
하크니스는 롱워크에 대한 책을 쓰기 위해 직접 롱워크 내부 상황을 경험해보기로 한 것이었고
Oh, if you win, you won't need a book to make you rich.
Yeah, I mean, I suppose not, but still make one heck of an interesting book, I think.
또 다른 인연을 늘려가며 참가자들은 행군을 이어가지만 쉴 틈 없는 행군을 버티지 못한 컬리의 다리. 레이는 침착하게 컬리를 안정시켜보는데
Keep walking. You're with us. You're with us.
Come on, keep walking. Keep walking.
She's loosening now.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
레이의 도움을 받고 컬리는 다시 걷기 시작하지만
Come on, young.
Keep walking.
You got it.
We just gotta stay at this
We
pace.
good. Come on.
Come on, Curly.
Come on, young.
Come on, Curly.
하지만
Come on, Curly. Come on.
컬리는 더 이상 앞으로 가지 못한 채 주저앉고 그렇게 컬리는 모두가 바라보는 앞에서 이번 롱워크의 첫 번째 탈락자가 됩니다.
Garrity, come on. Yes, sir.
첫 번째 탈락자가 발생하며 한껏 무거워진 행군 행렬.
One of our comrades has fallen. There will be many more, but none quite as glory-filled as the very first. And the very last.
Canteen. 47 calling for canteen.
Hey, why'd you touch that compound?
Like knocking on wood, I guess.
I gotta take a leak. Watch out, boys. Incoming.
피터는 시원하게 높은 물을 배출하며 무거워진 분위기를 풀어내고 행군은 어느덧 27km 지점을 향해 가는데
This one right. It's like the major said. Ain't no finish line. That's the biggest mindfuck in this race. But you see, we gotta think different. We don't think about making it to the end. We think about moments. Just making it to the next moment.
What do we think about now?
We just gotta make it through this goddamn heat, boy. Oh my God. Hey, just go on dancing with me like this forever, compadre, and I'll never tire. Hey, we'll scrape our shoes on the stars and hang upside down from the moon. You a poet, Pete? In days past, I would like to have been a songwriter. But it ain't those days, so I guess I'm stuck here riffing for you.
We're all in this together, right? There's no harm in keeping each other amused.
They say you shouldn't make friends on a long walk, but fuck it, I sort of like you three. Even you, Olsen.
Fuck off.
Come on, man. Let's be musketeers.
피터의 주도로 4인 3총사가 결성되고
All for one!
One for all!
Hell yeah!
Fuck! It's like the muscles are all turning baggy.
시간이 지날수록 점점 몸에 무리가 오는 참가자들이 늘어나기 시작합니다.
Warning. Number 1. Second warning. You must have some medical shit he didn't report. Hey, y'all should be fucking smiling. The odds just went up for us, yeah?
I keep hoping that part gets easier.
That's what I'm afraid of.
두 명의 탈락자가 발생한 채 40km 지점을 돌파하는 행군.
Oh. Come on, don't be a fucking litter bug, Gary.
go
It's
fuck
time for the
yourself,
motherfucking ozone layer. Shit! Shit!
실수로 배급받은 식량을
Yeah, but-
떨어뜨린 올슨.
That was it for me today, because I'm allergic to the spam. I gave all that shit away.
이대로면 내일까지 굶으며 걸어야 하는 상황.
Here you go, Hank.
레이는 올슨을 위해 자신의 식량을 내어줍니다.
X-ray.
Musketeer.
하지만 참가자 모두 이들처럼 원만한 성격을 지닌 건 아니었고
Rank. Is it short for like Ranklin? Like
Just Frank.
you're saying your mama names you fucking Rank?
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god!
끝이 없는 행군끼리 지루했는지 바코비치는 무차별 인신공격을 시전하고 화를 참지 못한 랭크는 바코비치와 신경전을
Can't take a
시작합니다.
fucking joke? Think your mama was giving out coupons for blowjobs on 42nd Street?
결국 화를 참지 못하고 폭발한 랭크.
Warning, 19. Get the fuck up! Hey!
Fuck! Barkovich, you fucking asshole!
쓸데없는 행동으로 참가자 한 명을 죽음으로 몰아넣은
Now you a
바코비치.
martyr! You can't fucking say that shit, man. No. I didn't do that shit. I didn't fucking touch him. He came after me, man.
Why don't you go back and dance on him, huh?
I know you got that gas-sucking cock yourself, Scarface. Don't fuck with me.
I can't wait to see your brains all over the fucking concrete, Barkovich.
바코비치는 이번 일로 참가자들 사이에서 문제아로 낙인 찍혀버립니다.
Hey, have y'all had to poop yet?
I'm rationing, trying to avoid it.
Word's been coming down the line. This guy Ronald, 45? She's got the shits. Real bad.
Warning, number 45. Second warning.
멈추면 목숨을 잃는 죽음의 행군에서 몰려오는 생리 현상을 참아내기엔 한계가 있었고
Warning, 45. Third warning.
하지만 그런 수치심을 견딜 수 없었던 로널드는 인간으로서의 존엄성을 지키다 목숨을 잃고 맙니다.
Where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Marie.
Warning, 47.
Oh, wakey, wakey.
날이 저물어도 멈추지 않는 행군 덕에 깜빡 잠에 들어버렸던 레이.
You've been dozing for hours, yep. That's your mom. Used to go to escape hatch.
I was dreaming about my mom. And she used to sing me this lullaby that was so sweet, you know?
That's good, right?
Yeah.
See, that's the stuff that'll get us through.
Yeah. She didn't sing the lullaby anymore, though. I didn't realize how much I could fucking miss her.
You know you have to win to see her, Ray.
I think that I'll see her in Freeport, because we live there. I just gotta make it till there, I guess.
Warning, 47. Second warning.
Oh, fuck!
Warning, 47. Third and final warning.
Come on, just keep up.
Shut up, Pete. Stop acting like you don't want me to get my ticket. I know you're just like the rest of them, man.
강행군으로 스트레스가 쌓일 대로 쌓인 레이는 결국 폭발해버리고 그런 한계에 몰린 레이를 맞이하는 지옥의 오르막길.
Marty, you were gonna die on this hill. Happened once 6 years ago.
오르막길에 접어들면서 피로에 지친 탈락자들이 속출하기 시작하고
You ain't gonna fucking make it, Garrity! Got a gun to your fucking head, fucker!
이제 단 한 번이라도 멈추면 머리에 구멍이 뚫리는 상황이었지만 패닉에 빠져 페이스를 오버해서 달린 레이는 자신의 몸을 가누지 못하고 쓰러지기 직전인 상황에 빠지는데
Hey, holding up. Put your canteen over your head. Right. Top of the hill. You made it.
피터의 도움으로 위기를 넘긴 레이는 좀 전에 했던 자신의 말실수를 사과합니다.
You know I didn't mean it, right?
It's all good. Don't be fucking dumb. Keep the pace.
What about the rest of them?
Musketeers are all good.
지옥 같았던 새벽이 지나가고 롱워크는 이제 2일차에 접어듭니다.
No, I had an idea. When the first guy fell off, the soldiers were pointing their guns, and when they pulled the triggers, little pieces of paper with the word bang will pop out. Major would go, April Fools, and we'll all go home. It took me a while to realize the real gut truth of this. This is walk or die. Not survival of the physically fittest. If it was, I'd have a good chance, but I don't want to beat people that badly. And I think when the time comes, and I'm tired enough, I think I'll just sit down. All that last Alcafitch, though. We can both do that.
지옥의 오르막길을 통과하며 많은 수의 참가자들이 탈락해 이제 남은 인원은 단 18명.
Did you walk off your mornings?
Yes, I did.
Fuck me, is everyone buggy this morning? I bet Olsen's got the bugs, too. Hey,
Come on, McGree. Leave him alone, man. He had a good night. He ain't doing so well either.
You wanna go for a walk?
Go to hell.
Warning. Warning, 49.
오르막길을 달리다 발목이 부러졌던 하크니스.
Leg was all twisted up.
Warning. Second warning, 49.
Come on, Harkness. Just keep it moving. One foot in front of the other. You got this.
하지만 결국 하크니스에게 마지막 경고가 주어지고
Hey, get out of here! Yeah, you get out of here! You won't see this!
I'm gonna go.
It's all so fucked.
You're too emotional, Garrity. That'll get you in the end.
You know you hardly talk when you do this just fucking garbage.
Why don't you write him a fucking poem, then?
Why don't you kiss my ass, killer?
Hey, don't fucking say that shit, man.
Hey, Hank, I'm sorry for busting your balls, man.
Give yourselves due kudos, boys. You made it 100 miles. That's a goddamn accomplishment.
여태까지 한숨도 쉬지 않고 100마일을 걸어온 엄청난 정신력의 소유자들이었지만
You getting sick, Stebbins?
Just allergies. I get them every spring. Boy, I care for a foot massage right now.
살아남은 청년들은 우승하면 이루고 싶은 자신의 소원을 이야기하기 시작합니다.
One of them space rockets. Yeah, I always wanted to go to the moon.
Remember that one kid that he wished for? I think it was a pet elephant.
Yeah, and they gave it to him. It really will give you anything you want.
I'm on a wish for 10 naked ladies.
What the fuck you gonna do with 10 naked ladies?
뭐라긴 그거지 그거.
What'd you wish for, McGree?
I had a wish for a long time. I've changed my wish in the last couple days. From now on, I'm gonna wish that Long Walk has 2 winners. Then in years to come, people can have hope that maybe their friends just might make it.
How about you, Garrity?
No, I'm not saying. It's like a birthday wish, you know?
Oh, come on,
I'm not trying
man.
to, but I don't know how many of us are left. What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's around 15, probably. I don't know.
There's no fucking flavor.
Talking about the piece of gum?
1일 차 때부터 씹던 껌을 아직도 씹고 있던 올슨.
I got this feeling in the depth of my gut. As long as this gum lasts, so do I.
It's as beautiful as it is disgusting, Olsen.
No. Don't change the subject now, Garrity.
Nah.
You ain't here for the money, right? Give us a nibble. What you here for?
I want my wish to change things. You know, maybe stop this whole thing altogether.
You can't wish for things that cause changes in a stage.
I'm not wishing for something to change. My wish, if I get it, might enact change.
뭔가 의미심장한 소원을 가진 듯한 레이. 하지만 레이는 끝내 자신의 소원은 알려주지 않은 채 행군을 이어갑니다.
Fuck the Long Walk.
There you go, Pete.
Fuck the Major. Come on, Baker. Fuck the Long Walk. What you got, boy?
Come on, Olsen.
Come on.
Oh, come on, Olsen. Don't be a fucking pussy now.
여기까지 온 거 더 이상 눈치 볼 이유도 없었던 청년들은 롱워크 정책을 조롱하며 기세를 올립니다. 하지만 소년들의 기세는 밤새 내린 비로 한풀 꺾여버리고
There you go.
Warning. Number 6.
배변 이슈로 주저앉은 아트.
Second
It's not up
warning.
yet.
Number 6.
Get up, Art.
It ain't so easy with the gun in my...
Fast crap I ever took it.
It's just gotta stay between us, Pete.
레이는 피터에게 자신이 롱워크에 참가한 이유와 아버지에 대한 이야기를 꺼내기 시작합니다.
He wanted to show me books by, you know, Nietzsche and Kierkegaard, Mark Twain and Camus, and show me music, real fucking uninhibited music.
And all that shit's legal now.
Yeah, I think he thought he had a system.
What did you do? What did you do?
레이의 가족을 밖으로 끌고 나오는 소령.
Sir William Garrity, you've been accused and convicted for high crimes of possession and teaching of banned materials and ideas. There's still time to be an example for your son.
소령은 마지막으로 국가에 충성하고 반성할 기회를 주지만
I will pledge no such allegiance.
Oh my God, no!
May God show mercy.
Never forget who you are, Ray.
God.
And that's why I'm gonna kill him.
Wait, you can't wish.
Yet I have a wish that will give me the ability to do it once I'm the winner, once I'm close enough to him. I'm gonna wish for the carbine.
레이는 소원으로 소총을 받은 후 그 자리에서 소령을 쏴 죽일 계획이었고
This is my chance to do my part, change things the way he wanted to.
He chose to leave you. How's that good?
피터는 그런 식의 복수는 아무것도 바꿀 수 없다고
We
말합니다.
had 3 hours, 3 days, or 3 decades. This moment, it matters, man. But realize, even if you pull it off, they'll fucking kill
You don't know that shit. I'll be the winner. That's uncharted territory.
Does she know?
No, she doesn't. This thing's bigger than me and my mom. Pete, look at that bunch of fucking pigs. They want to see our fucking brains on the concrete, man. They just as soon see yours.
We can't get mad at them for being conditioned to think that this is okay when we're the fucking same. A wish means nothing if you don't believe in that family over there. See that? That's something to be grateful for.
두 사람은 숨겨왔던 고민거리를 털어놓으며 더욱더 가까워지고
Warning. First warning. 4.
Please, my feet, help me. My feet, please help me.
Warning. 4. Second warning.
인간의 한계를 뛰어넘는 강행군에 점점 쓰러져 나가는 참가자들.
Who the fuck is that?
Tressler is yeah. Kid with the radio.
Warning. Third warning. 24.
자신의 차례가 다가왔던 걸 직감한 트레슬러는 최후만큼은 스스로 선택하기로 결정합니다. 이제는 정말로 몇 남지 않은 참가자들.
You tired, Garrity?
Yeah, I'm a little tired.
No. You're not exhausted. Olsen's exhausted. He's almost through now.
Olsen.
레이는 올슨을 불러보지만
Hank, you okay? Talk to me.
God's garden is full of weeds.
Hank.
Warning.
Hank.
46.
Hey!
결국 한계를 맞이한 올슨은 최후의 반항을 시도해보지만
Second warning. 46. Warning. Number 6. Why the hell don't they just finish him?
They're gonna let him bleed out. It's deliberate to discourage any of us from doing the old Charge of the Light Brigade number.
No.
I did it wrong. I did it all wrong.
I need you to get the fuck up right now! He's dead! He's dead! He's dead and you, I'm gonna lose you too! I did it all wrong!
You did a good thing.
No,
You did a good thing.
he called my name.
I know. Stop.
그렇게 롱워크에서 결성된 삼총사 중 첫 번째 탈락자가 발생한 채로 마침내 4일차에 접어든 롱워크.
I wish he would have shot one of those fuckers.
Still can't get over the pure fucking idiocy of Olson.
He didn't go out quietly. I respect the hell out of him for that.
He was married. Told a few of us at the drop-off.
올슨은 결혼을 했음에도 롱워크에 참가했던 것이었고
Let's make a promise right now. Whoever wins has to do something for his wife.
That's exactly fucking right, Pete.
Sounds like some bleeding heart bullshit to me.
Oh, fucking come on, Parker. I know you got a heart in there somewhere. What about you, Stebbins?
Why not?
You feeling okay?
No, I'm not feeling okay. I haven't been sick in 10 years. And my body decides to do it during this exact stretch of days like some cruel fucking joke. Won't stop me, though.
Hey, why didn't your buddy ask me if I wanted to help Hank's girl out, you know? I wanted.
그러게 평소에 좀 잘하지.
I think I just got off on the wrong foot with you boys, you know? Guys gotta have a couple of buddies on a fucked up thing like this, right? That Rank kid.
Yeah.
I'm fucking sorry, man. I can't think it's my fucking fault, right?
Yeah. You want to be a part of the deal?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Okay.
I'll tell that bitch she can have enough bread to stay on Fifth Ave the rest of her fucking life. Guys gotta have a couple buddies, man. That's what my daddy always used to say. Fuck!
누가 봐도 제 정상은 아닌 듯한 바코비치.
It's all right. We're all just friends right now.
레이는 뭔 일이 터질지 몰라 일단 바코비치를 진정시킨 뒤 피터에게 향하는데
Fucking go, man.
Hey, Barkovich. Hey, Barkovich.
Pete, just let him walk. Come on. Keep walking, Gary.
I'm gonna be with you horse forever now, okay?
결국 바코비치는 스스로 삶을 마감합니다.
How the fuck did you do that?
Third warning, 5. Final warning.
기나긴 행군 끝에 자신의 고향에 도달한 레이.
Mile 286.
Fuck.
레이의 신발은 강행군으로 완전히 달아떨어지고
Fuck me.
그렇게 맨발로 마을을 통과하던 레이는 다시는 볼 수 없을 거라 생각했던 엄마를 만나게 되는데
Don't slow down, bro.
하지만 레이는 결국 감정을 주체하지 못하고 엄마에게 달려갑니다.
Warning, 47. Third warning.
Think about your father.
Pete, I have made such a fucking massive mistake. I should have just stayed in the fucking car.
Hey, you still want to know how I got this fucking scar, huh?
피터는 레이를 진정시키기 위해 자신의 과거사를 알려줍니다.
My parents both died in a big war when I was little. A drunk uncle took me in. He beat the shit out of me and died in the pool of his own puke when I was 10. After that, I met kids sort of like me. Couches and in basements. I slept in fields and ditches. Until one day I picked a fight with the wrong guy. The guy who knew his way around a hunting knife.
피터는 쇄골에 그어진 그날의 상처를 보여주고
He left me for dead. I woke up in the hospital and you know what? I wasn't even upset. Because it wasn't his fault, it was mine. It was at that moment I said I'll always choose to find some light in all this fucking darkness. Because what's the point of a second chance if not? I don't have much to lose. I have everything to gain, and that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
I want that prize so I can do something good. Maybe help some children who are like me. Sure, I could have used Ray.
What?
The brother. Ray, listen to me. If you make this, I suggest you take that prize and go home to your mom because Ray, you're a good fucking kid. And you deserve it.
Thanks, Pete.
Yeah.
어느덧 5명뿐이 남지 않은 롱워크. 이대로 가면 끝날 기미가 보이지 않았기에 스테빈스는 더 이상 서로를 도와줘서는 안 된다고 말하고
Fuck's that
No, Pete, I think you might be right. You can't keep saving me.
What about the musketeer?
Oh, fuck your musketeers. It's better for all of us, and you know it.
Damn, my nose. I ain't had nosebleed in
Ain't
years.
nobody give a shit about your nosebleed, Baker. Ollie Parker, you in? Ollie. Fuck it.
Goddamn motherfucker! Hey, Chris! Come on!
나름대로 소소한 저항을 선택한 파커는 스스로 삶을 마감하고 길고 길었던 롱워크도 서서히 끝이 보이기 시작합니다.
Hey, my nose. My nose. My grandma used to put ice on my nose. Every time I have a nosebleed.
코피가 멈추지 않으면서 빈혈 증상을 보이기 시작하는 아트.
It's an internal hemorrhage, pretty common.
Stevens, please, come on.
I'm going down now, boys.
Just keep walking a little longer, okay?
No, I can't. I'm sorry. I'm going home.
Keep your head up, buddy. You gave this your all.
I did.
Yeah,
I did.
like fuck you did. And you know what? We even made some friends.
You've been a hell of a fucking friend.
Truly. Thanks. Thanks, both of y'all.
Of course.
아트는 삼총사에게 마지막 부탁을 남깁니다.
You give this to my grandma? If you make it.
Of course.
Promise me one thing.
Yeah.
Don't watch him do it. Okay? Promise me. Promise me.
I promise.
Promise me.
I promise. I promise.
Thanks. Go home.
Just a little longer, right? Just a little longer.
Go home. Come on.
결국 두 사람 곁을 떠나는 아트.
Third and final warning.
You're in the home stretch. You choose, boys. Remember, you choose.
Shut the fuck up. Fucking Lotus Eater, you old sack of shit. Shut up.
That's the spirit, my boy.
What would happen if we slowed at the exact same time, huh?
There's no way any three humans can measure exactness like these instruments. They have it down to a science. Increments.
How the fuck do you know so much about the long walk anyway?
It's all on record.
It's almost over. Say something real.
I'm the rabbit. You've seen the greyhounds chase at the dog races. Because no matter how fast the dogs run, they never can quite catch up to the rabbit. Because the rabbit isn't flesh and blood. But maybe you're right, Garrity. Maybe we should stop being rabbits and pigs and just be people. Real people. Who bleed.
스테빈스는 마침내 자신의 정체를 밝히는데
The Major's my father. I'm his bastard.
스테빈스는 자신에겐 관심도 없는 소령에게 자신을 받아달라는 소원을 빌기 위해 롱워크에 참가한 것이었지만
And I guess this rabbit is flesh and blood. I can feel my liver going. My lungs filling with fluid. And I'd like to end this shit with my head held high. Think it'll rain tonight, boys?
I don't know, but it looks that way.
I always loved the rain.
I'm sorry.
이제 끝이 다가왔음을 느낀 스테빈스는 두 사람에게 작별 인사를 건넵니다.
I'm glad it's you too.
Nice walking with you, Stebbins.
An honor. Good luck.
Third warning, 38. Final warning.
50% chance now, Pete.
Fucking do it!
자신이 원했던 대로 소령 앞에서 떳떳하게 죽음을 맞이한 스테빈스. 그의 죽음을 추모하듯 하늘에선 비가 내리기 시작하고
Pete, can I tell you something?
Sure.
I never really thought about death. And once I was scared shitless. But there's something about being with these boys. The only guarantee you have as a human being is that you are going to die. And if you're lucky, you get to choose how to spend those last moments. And you're right, Pete, this moment matters. Every moment matters. Especially at the end.
최후의 인이 탄생하자 우승자를 확인하기 위해 관중들이 밖으로 쏟아져 나오기 시작합니다.
Second warning, 23.
피터는 레이를 어머니에게 돌려보내기 위해 스스로 걷는 걸 중단하지만
It's for your mom. Get off me, Ray. Ray!
Being a
You
brother
going with it?
to my brother. Come on. Just walk with me a little more, okay?
Okay. You convinced the motherfucker.
하지만 레이 역시 피터와 같은 생각이었고
What'd you fucking do?
I can't see it, but you can. That's why I love you.
Ray! Get the fuck off!
인생을 살며 만난 최고의 친구에게 새로운 기회를 주기로 결심한 레이.
May God reward your bravery.
I'm sorry, Mom.
그렇게 레이는 최후를 맞이합니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, our champion, Peter McFreeze.
피터의 우승을 축하하기 위해 화려한 퍼레이드가 시작되고
So tell me, son, what's your wish?
소령의 말을 듣고 잠시 생각에 빠진 피터는
I want a carbine. I want that carbine. To give to my kids one day.
소령은 피터의 소원대로 소총을 건네주고 소총을 건네받은 피터는 곧장 소령을 조준합니다.
Put the gun down. The whole world is waiting for you. There's more riches than you could possibly imagine. Put the gun down.
This is for Ray.
결국 레이의 꿈을 이루어주기로 선택한 피터는 자신의 이름을 연호하는 군중들을 뒤로 한 채 끝이 보이지 않는 도로를 따라 계속해서 걸어나가기 시작합니다. 오늘 소개해드린 영화 롱워크는 불특정 다수 중 단 한 사람만이 살아남는 흔히들 말하는 배틀로얄 장르들과는 다르게 참가자 간의 물리적인 접촉을 통한 피 튀기는 혈투나 지략 싸움이 아니라 스스로 멈추게 되면 죽는 극한의 상황 속에서 펼쳐지는 인간관계를 메인으로 다룬 영화로 영화 대부분의 내용이 걸으며 대화하는 장면이었음에도 각자의 목적과 성격을 지닌 다양한 등장인물들의 대화를 통한 인간관계 형성을 메인축으로 삼아 인물들이 죽음을 맞을 때엔 정말 안타깝다는 감정이 들 정도로 높은 몰입감과 그로 인해 변화하는 주인공의 모습이 정말 인상적인 영화였습니다. 만약 여러분에게 레이나 피터가 겪은 선택의 상황이 펼쳐진다면 어떤 선택을 하실 것 같나요? 여러분이 구독을 누르는 데에는 단 3초의 시간도 걸리지 않습니다. 네, 뭐 그냥 그렇다고요.